Introduction to Zapier and Automation.
Zapier is a powerful online tool that helps you automate repetitive tasks by connecting your favorite apps like Gmail, Slack, or Google Sheets. With Zapier, you can create automatic workflows called Zaps that handle everyday tasks for you. This saves time and boosts productivity, allowing you to focus on what matters most in your day.
Setting up your Zapier account.
To start automating tasks, visit the Zapier website and sign up for a free account. After registering, you'll have access to the dashboard where you can create and manage your Zaps. Make sure to verify your email and set up basic profile preferences for a smooth experience.
Creating your first Zap. Trigger an action.
A Zap consists of two main parts, a trigger and an action. A trigger is the event that starts your workflow, such as receiving a new email. The action is what Zapier will do in response, like saving that email's attachment to Google Drive. Choose the apps and events you want to connect, and follow the prompts to set them up.
Customizing and testing your Zap.
After selecting the trigger and action, you can customize details to fit your needs. For example, you can filter which emails or data are included. Zapier will guide you through testing your Zap to make sure it works. If the test is successful, the automation is ready to go live.
Managing and improving your automations.
Once your Zap is active, you can view, edit, or turn it off anytime from your dashboard. As you become more familiar with Zapier, try exploring multi-step Zaps or use built-in tools like filters and formatting to refine your workflows. Regularly review your Zaps to ensure they continue to meet your productivity goals.
Conclusion. Unlocking productivity with Zapier.
By automating repetitive tasks with Zapier, you streamline your daily routine and eliminate manual work. Connecting your favorite apps through simple Zaps can transform how you get things done. Experiment with different automations and discover new ways to increase your productivity with Zapier.